Hi, I'm recording this video, I guess, just to showcase the Studio Design Clothing Craft Station. I just received it today. I ordered my product, I guess, on Saturday late night, and it came in today on Monday, April 17th. It is heavy. I had a rough time bringing it up the stairs, but I'm going to unbox this to see if I do get all the tools that they stated. It's some in the comments saying that they didn't receive all the tools that they need in order to make their crafting station. So hopefully everything goes well. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, unbox it. I'm gonna do it in quick speed and let you guys know how long it's gonna take me to actually put it together.
And if it is dirty, so